action.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're gonna do don't touch the color challenge, or basically
Yeah,
today's video we're gonna be doing can't touch green or purple, and our
green and
challenge
purple.
is making it to the mines.
The bottom,
So
like that big circle.
bottom, and you guys are getting lucky today because we're posting 2 videos today.
Abs, the update's in 3 hours apparently. Alright,
Yeah.
so we can't touch the color green and purple.
Did you make the camera follow you?
Yeah, no, it's like here. It's in first person. It's like facing that way, like where I'm facing.
Oh.
I made it that. Think. Let me make sure.
Okay, no green or purple.
Okay, yeah, it's still.
We're still safe.
I don't know. I think it might be. Hold on, let me catch up. There's a tiny bit of green here. Let's see. What?
Be careful.
Oh, yeah, the chips.
Or whatever those are.
Oh,
Holy
okay, there's some
moly.
green there. I think you touched it. I don't know.
I didn't touch it.
Woo! I can see some green.
Holy moly. I'm making it to the tree. This is brownish, guys, so this does not count.
Okay, yeah.
Holy moly, the computer's right there. Holy
Oh,
moly.
the light from the computer. No, I'm gonna make this a little harder for me. No double jump.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh.
I don't know if I touched it. I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, Buzz! God, I gotta go back. I touched green. Okay.
God. A piece has touched me, so I gotta go all the way back to Creative Studios.
No, we don't. We just gotta go back to I don't know.
Okay, I'll go back to the shop.
Okay, yeah, this is restart.
What the? Let's go.
Oh! Oh! I'm not touching it.
Oi!
I almost did. It's just gray here. Can't touch the color green and purple. This is brown. Cheese. Oh, I touched it. Shoot. Okay. Oh, you're gonna make it, man. I'm on the call with him, by the way. Like always. Okay, we got her. I'm not. Oh. Oh. I didn't wait. Oh! My stick went through the seat. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. Damn, man. Damn, man. That's blue. Okay. So. Oh, I see it. Oh, I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. Oh, I forgot.
No way, I'm getting out of here.
Oh, I made it to the bottom.
Get us out of here.
I thought you had a hook shot on you. Oh, wait, oh.
What? No hook shots allowed, bro.
Yeah, I thought you had it on you for when we're done. I had one. Alright.
Alright, well, we beat the challenge, guys. We're also gonna be doing another challenge. Animal Company Repo. Unless it's that one.
Oh! We're doing that tomorrow!
Tomorrow?
It's tomorrow!
We could do it now.
No, tomorrow. Alright, wait.
Fine.
Probably later then. Alright, yeah, we're gonna be hosting repo games later today. I don't know though. Thanks for watching. Please like and buddy. Please like and
Like and
subscribe.
subscribe to both of us,
Out.
and even if they didn't out, and we'll see you guys later.